So next question is question number 4 from straight lanes, very long answer questions, 8 mark questions. Let us look at the question first. Okay. So this is quite simpler one and important one. Okay. So we have a question, if P and Q are the lengths of perpendiculars, right, from the origin to the lines x cos theta minus y sin theta, okay, is equal to k cos 2 theta, and x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equals to k respectively. We have to prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Okay. So given, let us start writing with given p be the perpendicular distance of the line. What is the line? X cos theta minus y sin theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta. Right? From origin. Okay. Also, this is the first statement. Also given Q be the perpendicular distance of the line. What is the line? X secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equals to k. From origin. These are the two statements which has given. We need to find the value of p square plus 4q square. We need to prove it is equal to k square. This is we have to prove. Okay. So let us start with a formula. We know that, what we know? We know that distance from any point to the line. Let us take that point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by, just a minute, plus c by root over a square plus b square. This is the distance formula, right? First, suppose if you have a point x1, y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then we have a distance formula. This is the distance formula. First, suppose my particular point x1, y1 is 0, 0. Then substitute x1, y1 in the place 0, 0. Okay. So what you'll have? A times of 0 plus b times of 0 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So if my particular point is origin, that means the distance formula becomes mod c by root over a square plus b square. So let us highlight this. Mod c by root over a square plus b square. So am I clear? By using this formula, we are going to solve this problem. Okay. So as per that statement and formula, so c is nothing but constant of given line here. Right. So what is the nature of c? The c is nothing but that is a constant of the given line. So here what is the constant? Ax plus by. Let us rewrite this x cos theta minus y sin theta, transforming constant to left side, k cos 2 theta is equal to 0. So, mod c is nothing but minus k cos 2 theta by root over a square plus b square, where a defines coefficient of x, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to, this is a perpendicular distance formula from origin to the line, and this value should be equal to p given as per the given question. So this equals to p here. So if I take out of modulus, this becomes k cos 2 theta root cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. So root 1 is 1, right? So this becomes p. K cos 2 theta is equals to p because, and this value is 1. So on squaring both sides, we have k square cos square 2 theta is equal to p square. Let us assuming as equation 1. Okay. So the similar point, let q be the perpendicular distance of the line x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equals to k. So let us rewriting this equation, second line equation. What is given? X secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equals to k. So as per the formula, mod c by root over a square plus b square. Modulus of c value is minus k upon root over secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, that should be equals to q. So if I take from mod, this becomes positive. Distance cannot be negative forever. So secant square theta can be furtherly written as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta is equals to q. Correct. So if I left over with k divided by root over, what is the last step? K divided by root over 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta value is equals to p. The distance from origin to the line, which is perpendicular distance formula, and the value is equal to q. Let us simplify this. K divided by, take out LCM, will have cos square theta into sin square theta. Numerator becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta on cross multiplication is equals to q. Correct. K divided by root over, this is a trigonometric identity, becomes 1, and this becomes cos theta sin theta whole square is equals to q. So cancelling square and root, what becomes here? Cancelling square and root, we have k divided by 1 by cos theta sin theta is equals to q. Transforming this cos theta sin theta to the numerator, we left over with k cos theta sin theta is equals to q. Squaring on both sides, we have k cos theta sin theta whole square is equal to q square. So what we'll have now? K square cos square theta sin square theta is equal to q square. Let us imagining this is equation 2. But they asked us to find out the value of p square plus 4q square. So multiplying it with 4 on both sides. Multiplying it with 4. So it becomes 4q square, 4k square, cos square, sin square, theta. So this can be written as 4 square can be written as 2 square, right? 2 square, k square, cos square theta, sine square theta. So taking whole square 2 as a common, right? So this can be written as k into 2 cos theta sin theta whole square. So k into 2 sin theta cos theta formula is sin 2 theta. I am expressing this in the bracket. So what is the formula? Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So we got like k square sin square 2 theta. Let us imagining this as equation number 3. So we have to find out the value of, what is the value we need to find out? 4q square plus p square. So 4q square value is k square sin square 2 theta plus, and what is the value of p square here? What is the value of p square? K square cos square 2 theta, right? Value of p square is k square cos square 2 theta. So I'll substitute that, k square cos square 2 theta. Take k square as common. So we have sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. So what is the value you'll get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta always equals to 1. So this becomes 1. So k square times of 1 is k square. I guess this is what we have asked us to prove, right? K square times of 1 is k square. So we just asked us to prove p square plus 4q square is equal to k square, right? So I hope everybody got clear with this question. Let us again have a glance of the problem overview of this question. First, they were asking us to prove 4q square plus p square equal to k square, right? So we are using only one formula. So ఏంట formula use చేస్తున్నాం అంటే distance from origin to the line. Formula ఏంటి అంటే modulus of c by root over a square plus b square. c అంటే ఏంటి? c అంటే మనకి ఇచ్చిన లైన్లో కాన్స్టెంట్. సో ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ k cos 2 theta కాబట్టి సో k cos 2 theta upon a square plus b square. ab are coefficients of x and y. This value is equals to p here, right? Similarly, you also do the same process for q. Second line తో కూడా మనకి ఏం వచ్చింది? x secant theta plus y cosecant theta plus k is minus k is equal to the distance from origin to the line. This time it is getting equivalent to q. On simplification process, we got like k by root over 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta is equal to q. On simplified, this is a normal simplification process. I have substituted both the values, like here I have applied many people will get confused at this part of the question. So you need to apply this part of the question. Many people will commit a mistake. You should observe. So ఏంటది అంటే sin 2 theta 2 sin theta cos theta. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్స్ చేస్తారు, మా హోల్ స్క్వేర్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా రాయరు. సో అది కరెక్ట్ గా ఉండేటట్టు చూసుకోండి, ఓకేనా? 4ని మనం 2 స్క్వేర్ కింద రాసుకున్నాము. సో అన్నిటికి మనకి స్క్వేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కింద రాయగలిగాను. 2 cos theta sin theta వాల్యూ sin 2 theta ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో మనకు వస్తుంది హోల్ స్క్వేర్. అప్పుడు ఈ స్క్వేర్ రెండిట్లకి వెళ్తే k స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ 2 theta. ఈ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, మిస్టేక్స్ చేసే పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, ఒక్కసారి చూసుకోవాలి. సో at the last I have substituted both values, 4q square plus p square. I proved it. So that we'll be moving to the next part of the question.